So, Robert, turning to you, obviously the derivatives market in the crypto space is nowhere near what it is in the traditional finance space. So why don't you let us know what you're seeing there, where you see that going this year, what you'd like to see this year, and what would help the market?
It's a fraction of its potential at the moment. If you look at the equity markets, for example, the derivatives market is multiples of the underlying spot. It's the exact opposite in crypto. So there's huge amount of upside in the derivative space. As we see more institutional investors coming into this space, more institutional adoption, we're seeing the sophistication level rise exponentially. And that's actually what's leading to compression in realized vol in BTC, much more stable price action, and this like conversion into kind of an old, boring market, which actually in some respects kind of led to what I was talking about earlier on the 10th. Now, from a derivatives point of view, the market's been trading options for quite some time. Deribit's a huge market that's like 90+% of the marketplace. There's a lot of other exchanges that are coming in place. We trade at OTC, and we've been seeing great expansion of interest there. The ETFs now also have options markets, which are very liquid and traded, but we're also seeing new entrants coming in. So DATs, for example, are coming into the derivative space. So Sam, to your point, DAT 2.0, it's no longer effective anymore to just hodl these coins. They need to create yield. They want to create some buzz around it. They need to outperform the other DATs in their peer group. And so we're speaking to DATs about yield enhancement strategies, forward strategies. If they don't have that cash on hand, they're buying forwards in anticipation of the cash coming in. So they're getting much more savvy around that area. We're also seeing more RIAs. So all the dealers are coming in. It really looks like it's starting from the wealth management sector, because these are the clients of the banks that are really demanding exposure. So now we're starting to get a lot more interest in exotics and structured notes. Again, as BTC vol plummets into the 20s and 30s, which is like a TradFi level of implied vol, it naturally begets more interest in exotics and structured products. So we're definitely seeing much more of a two-way activity, a lot more sophisticated investors coming in, and a lot more fun stuff that's going through the options market.